Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video. Yes, I know that most of you have been seeing a photograph of a man, since the operation in NEWZ, where the CTAC police officers had sent 4 of the bad guys to the departure lounge. And we celebrate that because that we are for law and order, so we love our police. So the thing is that now there's a man, we're just going to give you his last name, and we even see other bloggers. That's why, we have seen the story since yesterday, but as usual, we always wait until we get confirmation from various entity, especially in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And as you have known that we have known POPEYE News Link. Wow, it's going, it's some 37 years. Yeah, we know POPEYE's News Link from 37 years, yes. So POPEYE's News Link, meticulous and reputable YouTuber, ensures information is correct. He meticulously dots his I's and crosses his T's, making him one of the most reliable sources on YouTube. I will say that without any apologies. We are telling that. So uncover the shocking truth in this exclusive investigation as we delve into the mystery surrounding Mr. Smith's alleged demise. Yeah, boy, body say, we say, yeah man, and we not even watch it on them thing there. We see, a man, them have the man foot driver's license and all of them thing there. Sometimes it's not everything where you see, you just take it at face value and run with it, you understand? So that's why we, based on our experience as a detective, we don't jump on things because, like them say, it's hot potato and everybody want a bite out of it. No, we none of that. We like to deal with things factual. You understand? So that's how we operate over here. So as we tell you now, so contrary to popular belief, evidence suggests that Mr. Smith is alive and never associated with the notorious King Valley gang. So although they have been saying that this man, that he was dead, yeah, we can let you know that unequivocally that this man is not dead. He's alive. Mr. Smith is alive, and he is not associated with the notorious King Valley gang. So join us as we reveal the untold story behind this perplexing case and separate fact from fiction. Take advantage of this captivating discovery that questions everything you thought you knew. So not because the police photograph and send things on to them. In our police force we call them Matty or Squaddy. Matty mean it's kind of deeper than Squaddy. That means say you have affinity for that person. Your Squaddy is somebody who when I see him work, them a police, You understand? Whether you train with them and I just your squaddy. But Matty now is tighter. Is that relationship is, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So let's dive into the mystery surrounding Mr. Smith and his alleged ties to the notorious King Valley gang. Is he alive? Of course, yes. Of course, yes. He's alive. And he indeed, and was he indeed a part of the criminal organization, yeah, of the King Valley gang. So stick around to uncover the truth in today's video. So he's introducing the enigmatic case of Mr. Smith, a figure shrouded in uncertainty and conflicting report about his status and affiliation. The intrigue surrounding his existence and alleged gang connections has captured the attention and funds of investigators alike. So as we delve into the art of the matter, the confusion and speculation surrounding Mr. Smith's existence and gang ties come to light, the mystery deepens as various theories and evidence emerge supporting and debunking his rumored involvement with the King Valley gang. So now brace yourself for a pivotal moment in our investigation. Yes, a shocking revelation or unexpected twist is about to challenge everything we thought that we knew about Mr. Smith and his association with the infamous gang. So get ready for a game-changing revelation that will leave you on the edge of your seat. In the aftermath of the revelation, let's recap the key points discussed. The uncertainties surrounding Mr. Smith's faith and alleged ties to the King Valley gang raise more questions than answers. The implications of the discoveries leave us with a sense of intrigue and anticipation of what lies ahead. So before we let you get to listen to POPEYE News Link, yeah, POPEYE talking with Mr. Smith, yeah, he's not dead. We invite you to share your thoughts and insight on the case in the comment below. Your input and theories are valuable and crucial, and as we unravel mysteries like these, stay tuned for future videos exploring similar intriguing cases and unsolved enigmas. So one thing we can tell you, we at the Jamaica Young Police Center, we don't buy information. Yeah, what we say buy? Yeah, man, you have. What I tell you, you have social media, entrepreneur, informants out there. Yeah, man, I sell information and them thing. Two reputable YouTubers and them thing there. Yeah, but we don't buy pussy in a bag and them thing there. Anything that we are getting, it must be authentic, and it must be done because of patriotism. Anytime people do things for money, you're going to have problem. Trust me. Because people are going to mislead you. Because when somebody do things and they do it because of money, they may make up story and tell you lies. So I want you to, you watch, you listen, and you decide. You listen to POPEYE News Link talking with Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith is alive and well. He's not dead. So you watch it, you listen, and you decide.
Caval.
Yeah.
Are you me to talk to? Can me see your picture circulate. Are really you me to talk to?
Yeah, man, I'm here to talk to man. I say me dead, man. I'm sure, man.
Lord, Caval Smith, not true?
Yeah.
Are you come from a cave?
Yeah.
Caval, talk to me. What go on? Because I see your picture with your driver's license, side of one, next one. And then the other side of one big gun like that.
I don't know what go on. A beer call me, I get man a call me and a ball. And I say, what they go on, man, I say, you just go on the internet and see you and say you're dead. The police kill you and a bird. I say, kill me. I said, no, but when they shoot it and go on, they go in one place and do one transaction.
So hear me now, Caval, hold on. Caval, hear me now. You come from Westmoreland out of cave, right?
Yeah.
Were you in Negril earlier today?
Yeah.
You go and Negril go do business, right?
Yeah.
Because me talk to the person who you go do business with. So how is it that your driver's license would I reach over there, so? Tell me what.
The parking lot. The parking lot. I always park over Burger King anytime I go on at the back there, so.
Yes.
And then we go any spot else more have to go.
Yes.
Right? And then we don't know because over there, now kind of more easier for the back out from that anywhere else.
Yeah, man.
Taxi them out, everything. So, yes, I always go on this park.
Yes.
Right?
So you drive go and Negril this morning?
Yeah.
About what time you reach at Negril today?
Oh, man, I already done a nigga from last night.
Oh, for last night?
Yeah, man, I already done a nigga from last night because I drive one boat down a nigga.
You drive on what?
I drive a boat down a nigga, one boat.
Oh, so that you do? You're a boat captain?
Yeah, I'm a boat captain.
Okay. So you did a nigga from what time yesterday?
From about after 6 in the evening.
Yeah, man. You park your car on a Burger King, you say?
No, man, no, that's all. I park this out.
Okay.
So we both located up a Woodstock.
Okay. Oh, okay. But so you would have park up a Woodstock?
Yeah.
So when you go down in the town, you normally talk to me. Go on.
When I go in the town, for that time, I always, if I go down, if I go shopping for buy stock for boat or nothing,
yes.
I always park this and then buy stock them and just put them in the car and then go back up.
Yes. So what time this morning you go down in the town and Negril?
About, I'm going to town but after 8.
Yes.
Right? Town but after 8. I'm stand up and I wait on the monogram to open.
Yes.
Something, right? The one with the over beside of the next brother. Then when they open, I ask them if they do like Zoom transaction or something.
Yes.
And they said no, I have to go on the other side.
Yes.
On the other side, I have to wait on them on the other side. She come across.
Yes.
She open. The same time the man come now and open the place and without the same stand up and I ask him say if we can come in.
Yes.
And he said yeah, but we have to go wait a little bit to them start with them business.
Yes.
Do what them do to start deal with it. And then so now when they wait, I just shot that big class of Burger King. I'm looking at the police and something and all always start up in the place same way.
Yes.
I watch what go on. So for everything done now, I come out, I come out, left, go across back over there, fast a little bit where I go on and then go in my car and left.
Yes.
So when we go now, I go anchovy, I call it my daughter. I take it all my daughter birthday,
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, my daughter still me there, and my brother called me. And said to me, say, yo, then just see if they don't kill me. And he said, yeah. I said, brother, I anchovy me there right now, the palm you the gamble beer.
Yes.
And I said to me, I said, yeah, because I can't go buy cake and him I say, yeah, yes. So I did me there now, and when me over there now, I tell you, be a call a man that send me be a video and send me no, brother, this is good. So I make a phone call and call a police friend.
Yes.
And I say, if I say you don't come, I wonder where they go on to bed, what do you mean with the beach a reason? What do you mean with the beach a reason and everything good, so I don't know what happened. You see me?
Yes.
So I say, what we should do? And he tell me what to do. So I tell him what happened. And he said, good enough the place to get the receipt and carry him back to the police. But I say, I can't go like that, sir.
Yeah.
So me at the place and I tell him how I'm going, and the man say, alright, can you them, go call them and then come for you. But he said, one of them say, then come for me.
Yes.
So at least when they come for me now, then can see the video them and everything what transpire.
Yes.
Yeah, so the man show them the video and everything and then look.
So you go back on the grill?
Yeah, me then I talk to me then the grill now.
Okay, so you're going at the business place where they go and the police then look on the video with you and do the transaction.
Yeah, then come, yeah man, then deal with everything. But the man,
yeah man.
The man responsible, the soap responsible everything.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I come with God and then look at everything and go through my phone and something and then something.
Yes.
Yeah, and check it and then keep the receipt and must call them tomorrow and come back and come pick up my license.
Oh, so they have the license still?
That's still have a license. That's a must come myself come pick up the license tomorrow. But I don't even too trust that still, but you know.
Yeah. So you talk to one specific one who say if you come for the license?
Yeah, man, you give me the number, man. I got the soup himself, man.
Oh, Mr. Dobson?
Yeah, Mr. Dobson, man. I him come look at everything.
Yeah, man, you can go to Mr. Dobson for your license. Take it from me.
Yeah, man, he went there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You can go to Mr. Dobson for your license. Don't worry about that. You see, you don't trust that one there, but you can go to Mr. Dobson for your license. Just make sure you call him before you go. You understand?
Yeah, man, you call him.
Because I make sure me put out this so that other police know, say, you don't want it and you don't know that you dead man, you know. Because look here, when somebody send it come show me, I say, no, sir, not this a man here. Not this a man here. Because me I laugh and me I say, if, unless I want to have a stray bullet lick him and somebody I try to cook up a story. And that me I say, you know.
Yeah. I should do that, brother.
Eh? No. Then say enough sure for people, you know, Cabal. Then say enough sure for people. But I tell it to your face, you know. Say, when me see for your picture, you know, me say to a man, say, I must want stray bullet lick him and then just join up everything together. That was what I was saying. I mean, I go around here and say it. Because that would have catch me off guard totally. But boy, me happy you clear this up and me go.
I say when the blow up, Mr. Papa, I say, if nobody ever call me and tell me, with all the police that kill me, I'm in the know for.
Yes. Yes.
I don't know, so the license of anti-one time, man, them say, so we go in and snap and pick up when I look around, I say, oh God, can't find the license.
But you see your coincidence? You see your coincidence go? So your fee say so I used the transaction this morning?
Yes, I used the transaction this morning. So when we go back at the car, we can take out everything out of the pocket now we put in. So
hold on now, Kaba, hold on. So when after the shooting done and thing, you go back at the car with the license?
Yes.
Because the license is under the transaction?
Yeah.
Okay. Boy. So your boss.
No, man, I mean, food stock in the boat. It's like the boat thing that I started.
Me know, but me I say the people in for would start call you?
No, man, nobody can go.
Oh, okay.
The boss, me and him do the thing in Carmen.
Oh, your boss call you? In
Carmen, when the answer the phone is a must stop pay for the talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a kind of private thing with the two men, isn't it?
Yeah. Why? No set back no night, man. We have put out here make everybody know. Say you know that and you're still you're alive and well. And
No, come here, say everybody people rejoice, brother.
I rejoice.
People rejoice every day. Yeah.
Oh yes.
It's a real Popeye.
Me understand.
Remember saying I like good people, life is a good people side.
Yeah. Why? Alright. So well, just take care of yourself. I'm going to Mr. Dobson call Mr. Dobson tomorrow and go for your license. And go start.
I'll call him tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
I'll call him tomorrow
and go start out your thing, yeah? Yeah, man. Alright, enough respect, yeah? We talk.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, so that's the man that's who's supposed to be dead, Kaval Smith, and Mr. Smith is alive. Yes, you know, he's alive, and you're just listen to him, having a conversation with Popeye. And you know that based on the conversation that they had, you can know that Popeye known this man and known for many years. And, you could not deny, the man's character and credibility and reputation, as he was willing to put all of it out there, vouch this man as being a law-abiding citizen. Mr. Smith is alive and was not a part of the King Valley gang. So some people might be asking, so what's his driver's license reach on the scene of a crime? He was in the area, and more or less the police they have done there. He had spoken to them and on the phone, and you heard it for yourself, and they have been through the videos and stuff like that with the various business places in the area where the fatal shooting occurred. So before we wrap up, we invite you to share your thoughts and insights on the case in the comments below. Your input and theories are valuable and crucial as we unravel mysteries like these. So stay tuned for future videos exploring similar intriguing cases and unsolved enigma. And thank you for joining us on this captivating journey. Technology exposes the truth, a surprising revelation. So in an unexpected twist, recent developments have revealed that one of the men purportedly killed by the police is in fact alive and well. This surprising turn of events underscore the indispensable role of technology in modern law enforcement. Despite initial reports and assumptions, advanced investigative technology has clarified the situation. The integrity of the police investigation remains intact, and the technology has demonstrated its capacity to expose the guilty while exonerating the innocent. This incident highlights the value of technology in law enforcement, proving that in 2024 we have the tools to ensure justice is accurately served. The ability to verify facts with precision not only enhances the credibility of police work, but also ensure that the truth prevails, protecting innocent lives and holding the guilty accountable. So in conclusion, this case is a powerful reminder of the importance of technological advancements in pursuing justice. It's reassure the public that the right tools we can achieve a fair and transparent legal process, ultimately strengthening the trust in our law enforcement agencies. So you can see, this case highlight to show you that when the police use the right tools, then get the right results, and it can prevent an innocent man from end up in prison and even losing life. As we said before, and we say again that we are happy the way that everything unfolded. So Mr. Smith is not one of the men that were killed, as reported by other channels on YouTube. As we say, we know, it's not everything as it's come out, we just jump on it. We like to, and it's just based on our background as a detective, like to verify information first before running it, because we like to hear it from the source where it's coming from. And then, to let others, we pass it on to you, because our character, credibility and integrity and reputation is very, very integral to us. Very, very important. If we don't have that, then we have nothing. And that's how we have been using throughout our lives. And we'll continue to do that. We want to wish Mr. Smith all the best, and we're happy to know that he's a law-abiding citizen, and we applaud him for standing up and coming out and let us know that I am not that kind of person. I don't involve in criminality, and I do not like criminals, period. So for that, Mr. Smith, yes, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel cheer you on, and you know that we do not like criminals either. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.